Turner State Police are requesting the public's assistance with an Amber Alert. Around 4:50 a.m. today, December 7th, 4-year-old Bryson Boone was taken from his home at 3313 34th Street, in the Historia neighborhood of Waconat. His abductor is unknown. Bryson lives alone with his father, however his father's vehicle remains parked at the home. There is no indicator that his father is still at the home. A white vehicle with internal license C2L8K2 was seen driving in the area around the time. Description of victim: white male, 3 feet 4 inches, 36 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last known clothing unknown. Description of father: Jameson Boone, 33 years old, 5 feet 11 inches, 210 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last known clothing unknown. If you have any info or have located the white vehicle, please contact the Wacona City Police at 620-901-3302 or the Turner State Police at 1-802-2066-2022.